What is up, guys? Today have a Airtags unboxing. I know you've probably seen a lot of these already and you're guessing, hey, what new things have we not seen with Airtags? One of the things that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna see if the Airtag itself can work as some sort of low and low jack. I have two Airtags right here. I bought one when they came out a week to receive mine, or actually I initially ordered one that had the poopy emoji on it, and that one had a 6-week wait on it because they had to engrave the poopy, and we're gonna be opening up that one up right now. This one right here, I used it as a cat finder, and I put this thing on his leash and the cat ended up chewing on it, and you can see here he ended up chewing on it. As far as a cat finder, the cat is an indoor cat. It never goes outside. Every time I was able to find the cat. I have the iPhone 10, so it doesn't give me a precise location on it. It's good enough to find it. I can press the button, it plays the sound right away. So that I was able to find the cat, and my cat actually looks around when he hears that sound, and as I'm playing it right now, he was actually looking over here. Anywho, I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna put this new one right here, get it open, and then we can see the poopiness greatness of this. So setup is very simple. All you have to do, you see right here, nice little poopy emoji. And that looks great right there versus the one where it's no poopy emoji. Setup is super simple. All you have to do is once I pull this tag right there, it will automatically look for an iPhone pair with. Tomorrow, I will be trying to look for a car using just the Airtags, and we'll see how that turns out. But that's the poopy emoji right there. All right, fast forward. Let's see if I can do this. Well, first off, I'm going to say why I'm doing this video. One of my friends just recently had his car stolen and he was able to get it back. He didn't have Lojack and he didn't have Airtags either. Wanted to know if this was going to work so I can recommend this to him, or anyone out there that is afraid that their car might get stolen, or things that you might leave in your car that might get stolen, and you can probably put an Airtag in there. Well, I want to explain what Lojack is because you probably don't know what Lojack is. What it is, it's a device that you put inside your car. It is the only stolen vehicle recovery system integrated with law enforcement. So this, when you report your car stolen, they notify law enforcement, and a switch or a location device gets turned on the car so the police can go out and search for it. So what it does is vehicle location, service reminders, recall notification, driving behavior alerts, low battery alerts, trip history, virtual glove box, financial guarantee. Well, that's pretty cool. Receive up to 10,000 reimbursement. So every 40 seconds a car gets stolen, and they have a 98% recovery rate, which is pretty spectacular. 98% of people that have Lojack get their car returned to them. 10,000 reimbursement. Your car is not recovered within 30 days. Oh, that's pretty bold there. So that's what Lojack in a nutshell. The one thing that I don't like is you can't get a quote how much it costs. Generally, Lojack is bought at the dealer when you buy your car. The prices will vary. If you get a snake oil salesman, he can sell you Lojack $3,000 to $5,000 more than what the car costs. It's a great device. Who knows how much it costs? I'm sure you can find some estimates out there. But that's what, in a nutshell, what Lojack is. I wanted to show how exactly this was going to work. How it's going to work is the person is going to put the Airtag inside the car, somewhere where it's hidden underneath the car seat in the glove box. After that, the person is going to drive away into an undisclosed location. I'm going to set the Airtag into lost mode. Hopefully I get a signal, someone walks by with an iPhone and pings the Airtag. Once that happens, and it'll give me the car's location, or I would say the Airtag's location, which is in the car, and then I will be on my way to look for the Airtag. And we're back. Right now, I'm just getting into the car. I already put the Airtag as in lost mode. The car is out there somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I asked if they can put it somewhere maybe where there's a lot of traffic, where there's a lot of people. Someone pings it and someone has to walk by it for it to trigger that lost mode and send me the directions on where the car is at. There we go. Oh, looks like there's a hit already. It looks like it found the location 8 minutes ago. Okay, so we're on our way now. It says your item is somewhere in this circle. Okay, so let's head over there. All right, let's get on our way. And there you have it, folks. I have a location. If you look right there, it shows the exact location of where the car is at. I'm currently driving there right now to see if that's where I find it. We're back here at a red light. Since it's found it, I'm gonna click on the directions button. It should take us directly to the location of the car. So all I did was press the direction buttons and press go. The car's, I can see the car, and it's almost an exact GPS location of where the car's at. There it is. We found it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. We were able to find it. Found the driver, and they let me borrow, gave me the keys. So what I'm gonna do is open in here. I'm gonna look for the AirTag, and there it is. Inside the glove box, the AirTag was able to penetrate through the car, get a signal from passerby. The driver didn't turn on their phone until they were about 50 feet away. It works. It works as a makeshift Lojack, poor man's Lojack. Back to the studio like this. 3, 2, 1. And we're back. Hey, what do you know? It did work. Now, there is some caveats to it. If, say, your car is stolen and they drive out to the desert where there is no iPhones or other people around, chances are the AirTag is not going to ping anyone. Another thing, if they happen to steal your car and they find the AirTag and throw it out the window or take the battery out, it will not work either. Someone takes your car and they have an Android device and they drive home and no one around them has an iPhone, chances are it's probably not going to work either. So there is certain things that it might not work. Would I use this as a replacement? Yes, I would. Lojack is fairly expensive. You can buy it from the dealership when you buy your car. Depending what dealership you go to, I mean, they try to rip you off. It can go anywhere from $500 to $2,000. There is no membership fee, but with the AirTag, an AirTag costs $29. There is no monthly subscription. The battery lasts for up to a year long. If you really wanted to hide this in your car, I mean, you can tape it underneath your car, put it in some sort of waterproof material, and tape it there or secure it there somehow. You always know where your car is at. There's billions of iPhones in the world. Wherever the car gets taken, they're gonna pass by an iPhone. It'll work great. One of the main things that attracts people to Lojack is it sends a signal out to the police, and the police will go out there. Once the car is reported stolen, the police go out there and they're able to find the car because it sends them a direction of a GPS location of the car. Obviously, if your car gets stolen, I would not recommend you going out there and trying to get it back for yourself. So of course, maybe get law enforcement involved, telling them, hey, I think my car is in such and such location. Because if you go there by yourself, you don't know who stole your car. What if they have a gun or they have a knife and you tell them, hey, that's my car? You don't know what might happen. So it could be a dangerous situation. You know, I did this for educational purposes. Do this at your own risk. I would do it if my car were stolen. I wouldn't go there myself. I would notify the authorities, let them handle it. I appreciate it. You guys checking out the channel. If you really like the channel, hit that like button. If you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. I want to know what you think about the poor man's Lojack. If that's going to work for you or it's maybe something that you want to do, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you later.